Welcome to the Bologna base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find 4 leg pieces and both the top and bottom connectors with a washer, split washer and nut on each. You will need a socket wrench and thread lock. Firstly, remove the hardware and apply thread lock to the connectors. Starting with the top connectors, grab the leg pieces one by one and carefully slot them into the dome. Place the washer, split washer and nut on the end of the thread of the connector and lightly tighten. Next, grab the bottom connector and place it through the middle of the legs, slotting in the tabs. Flip the base over and again place the washer, split washer and nut on the end. To complete, use the socket wrench to tighten the nuts on the top and bottom connectors. The Bologna bases are available in a table or dry bar height, powder coated in a semi-gloss black finish. They are made from cast aluminium, have adjustable foot glides, and the table can hold up to an 800 diameter top, although heavy tops are not recommended. They feature a unique European design that is great for boutique cafes and restaurant applications.